Why should you have a risk management strategy? Projects and operational risk are not uncommon for the most firms. They are in fact a natural part of doing businesses in hence the need of organizations to have a risk management strategies in place. An important aspect of this is to know one's strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats, also known as doing a SWOT analysis. A well-planned risk management strategy is important because it ensures the following. Number one, seamless operations. Any business, no matter how successful and established, can face risk. It could be in the form of uncertainty in the market, lobbyers, problems, and cyber attacks, etc. If the company does not have a risk management strategy, any threats can stall operations. A cyber attack, for example, can hit a digital infrastructure infrastructure of a business. Therefore, a risk management strategy should be imperative for a smoothly functional organization. It also helps to safeguard businesses assets, tangible and intangible, enhanced customer loyalty. Businesses that think about risk and take steps to safeguard against them tends to gain the trust of customers. It conveys that have will be as proactive and insurance your customer security as well. This is especially the case today, where customer data has become an integral aspect of businesses as a means to optimize service and customer experience. Knowing their data is in safe hands and secure from risk inspires trust and loyalty among customers. Achieving goals. An efficient risk management strategy is absolutely necessary when it comes to finishing projects on schedule and achieving business goals. Low or no risk. Meanwhile, there are no distractions or, or obstacles to completing and project are on time. As a result, team members will be focused on the big pictures. Improved profitability, of course, completing the projects on time and within budget means that the business is able to acquire the benefit of the project sensor. This could also translate into the better benefits, profits. Further, the fallout of having to deal with any risk also trends to channeling resources and money into solving the problem. A risk management strategy that is able to mitigate or avoid risk implies avoiding financial losses. Step to develop a risk management strategies. These four key steps to manage risk are important to any project management plan. Number one, know the businesses. Every project manager must know the state of the business in organizations. There is where the aforementioned SWOT analysis comes into the picture. Know the strength, weak sport and on operational vulnerabilities before planning a project.